Welcome back. In this video, we will show you how to use Stable Diffusion Deforum using cloud-based services like Google Colab and Drive. You can directly run from Stable Diffusion, no need to install additional extension. Just click the link. Google Colab is a free cloud-based platform that allows you to run Python code using Jupyter notebooks. You can access it from any device with an internet connection. The advantage of using cloud-based services is that you can utilize the power of GPUs without needing to have a powerful computer. Plus, it's convenient as you can access your work from anywhere with an internet connection. This is a great alternative if you don't have a computer with the necessary system requirements to install Stable Diffusion on your local drive. To get started, you will need a Google account. If you don't have one already, go ahead and create one. Make sure you have at least 6 GB of free space in your Google Drive. Now, we will set up a Google Colab notebook. Open your web browser and copy-paste the link provided in the description to access the Google Colab notebook for Stable Diffusion. Sign in using your Google account if prompted. This will automatically open the notebook in your Google Colab account. In the notebook, click on Runtime in the top menu, and then select Change Runtime Type. In the pop-up window, select GPU in the Hardware Accelerator drop-down menu, and then click Save. Now, run each cell in the notebook manually. This will automatically connect to your Google Drive account and authenticate it. This will create a new folder called Stable Diffusion in your Google Drive folder. That's it. You can now use Stable Diffusion on the cloud using Google Colab and Drive. Personally, I used Google Colab for making AI animation. Thanks for watching.